Hey everybody, welcome to Want to Step YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can download voice mode for Discord. So basically what voice mode is like with voice mode you can change your voice in Discord like into a baby voice or into a robot voice or into other stuffs which is available in voice mode. So it's pretty simple to download voice mode. So just follow these steps, and before I show you the steps, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button to our channel if you guys are new to our channel so you guys can get notified for more Discord related videos like this. And let's start the video without any further ado. So to download voice mode, it's pretty simple. You just want to go to your search engine, and on your search engine at the search bar you want to type voice mode and then search for voice mode. After you search for voice mode, you want to click on the first link where it says voice mode free real-time voice changer and modulator. You want to click on it. After you click on it, it's going to take you to its website. And once you're in this website, you just want to click on where it says get voice mode free. Click on get voice mode free. Once you're over here, you want to log in into your voice mode account if you have already created it. And if you guys haven't created a voice mode account, then be sure to create one, and then after creating a voice mode account, your voice mode will start to download. So let me show you. So I already have a voice mode account, linked with my Google account. So let me do that real quick. And as you guys can see, it has started to download right after I logged in. So that's basically how you guys can download voice mode for Discord. If you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on to get notified for more Discord related videos. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment and I will be happy to answer you guys. And I will see you guys in another video. Until then, have a nice day. Bye bye.